In the last video of this series, I pointed out 5 very helpful applications that I suggest that you should have on your PC. You should watch that video. And in this video, I'm going to be continuing with some more helpful applications. Some of them help your GPU perform more efficiently, some boost your gaming experience, and some help clean up your gaming habits. So, without further ado, let me show you them. Now, the first application is known by a lot of people in the PC space, but I'm not sure if many people actually use it. That application is DDU, or Display Driver Uninstaller. This application allows you to wipe your GPU of its manually installed drivers from, for example, the AMD software or whatever app is used to install NVIDIA drivers. This application wipes everything and pretty much sets your GPU back to default. This is great for if your GPU's drivers are causing issues with gaming or if you're getting some major issues elsewhere. This application is fairly easy to use. Simply download the software, extract it somewhere, and open it. From there, click the top drop down, put GPU, then click AMD or NVIDIA. Then for the best outcome, click Clean and Restart. If you have a reason to not restart, click Clean and Do Not Restart, but keep in mind that this may cause issues. That's it. Once it's done, you can install the brand new driver. The next application is Playnite. I've just recently made a video regarding this application and how great it is. This application is a game launcher that not only allows you to hold your games, whether it's PC games or emulated games, but it also has a full screen mode, fully supporting controllers, and the amazing ability to add whatever themes you like. If you want a PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, or whatever console interface, you can get it. If you want to sort all of your games by tags, you can do that also. Since I've made a full video regarding this, I'm not going to go in depth, but the full video will be in the description. If you want a game launcher that's better than Steam, this is definitely the one. Next application is Nucleus Coop. This application is also in another video I've released, and it's also really good. This application allows you to take LAN and online games and play them locally with a friend or sibling from the same monitor. It simply opens 2 versions of the same game, runs them locally, handles the code regarding 2 different inputs, and surprisingly, it works really well. Keep in mind though that these games run locally, meaning that it's double the load. So if the game is pretty intensive, you'll need a pretty decent PC. As a quick summary of how to set this up, just open the application, add the game, install the handler, then you'll need to configure the inputs and windows for each instance of the game. Again, I've made a fully in-depth video about this, so if you want to do this, you should probably watch that. Now, the next application is one of the most helpful applications, and that is UWP Hook. This allows you to take games from Xbox Game Pass or the Xbox app and move them over to your Steam library without issues. You can also add full Steam art automatically. Now, if you're using Playnite, then there is no need for this application, but if you're sticking with your Steam library, then this is very important. Simply download the app from the description, open it, click your Xbox game, and click Export Selected Apps to Steam. Now, for full Steam art, you can watch the full video, but just this alone is very helpful. The last application is WizTree. This app is not necessarily meant for gaming, but it can help a lot with finding where game folders are located. Since I have a game hoarding issue, I tend to have a lot of random games just installed on my PC. Then later on, I attempt to find what's taking up all of my space and I can't seem to find it. That's where WizTree comes in. This can scan your entire drive and sort your files by size. Then you can manually analyze all of the files shown there and see which ones are taking an important amount of space. Simply download the application from the description, install it, then open it. Now you select the drive you want to search, click search. From there you can view all of your files and delete anything you want. This has helped me numerous times with cleaning my drive. And that's it. These are some of the most helpful apps you can have on your PC. If you want to add your Xbox games to Steam or download a new game launcher or play non-split screen games in split screen, these are the apps for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.